Astera Labs is a leader in purpose-built data and memory connectivity solutions to remove bottlenecks in the data center supporting AI and machine learning solutions. In 2020, we decided that we needed to implement an ERP solution to move us off QuickBooks. We were moving fairly rapidly as a startup and approaching a point of production revenue. And so prior to that, we needed an end-to-end solution and decided to start our search for an ERP solution.
During the search phase, right, we look at quite a lot of different options. And Tensoft is like perfect for the semiconductor startups. I would think you guys are gonna agree that in the startup phase, it's very hard to go with these high-scaled, big-named ERP systems. It's just so expensive, right? So you have to find a system that do the job and perfect for semiconductor, but also fit the bill. So I think that was really a good solution for us to choose.
I've used ERP systems at past companies, much larger companies, so familiar with NetSuite and SAP solutions, and felt that there was a lot of customization that was required, usually to implement what we needed in order to track semiconductor at the lot level and inventory, as well as both receipts and shipments and sales. And so Tensoft out of the box we felt was available to us as a solution without having to go through heavy customization. The implementation of the Tensoft solution for Astera Labs, we're talking about middle of 2020, so pandemic had just started. A lot of us were sent home out of the office, working remotely. And so there were a lot of opportunities for mishaps and delays. Honestly, we were up and running in 90 days. Even though we were doing it remotely, it well exceeded my expectations.
The two things I really like about Tensoft is we are in semiconductor business. So Tensoft solution is really able to track the lots through entire semiconductor flow. Right? Imagine from fab, from probe, then through assembly, test, and go into packaging. So every single lot is tracked. So then it go to customer, then we know exactly which lot go to which customer. If anybody asks, okay, this customer, what type of product we shipped in which lot, and we have the record, we are able to go to track. And then the second thing is the integration with our partners, for example, like OSAT partners, right? So it's very important for us to have this automatic feed as we are shipping millions of units, and there's no way we can handle this manually ourselves. So the system integration is really help out, so free up our resource basically.
There's no ever any worries about whether receipts are being posted, and the integrity of the data is always checked against subcontractor records, and they're always matching. So we feel very confident in the accuracy of the system.
And also we integrate the shipping system with our OSAT as well. And they are able to see all our orders that need to ship. And then they can just ship per the order that in their system, and they are able to see, for example, like a shipping address, the shipping carrier, all this information is out there.
So one of the benefits of being a Tensoft customer is their connectivities and integrations with other ERPs allow us to be able to consider in the future potentially upgrading our ERP to a new system and to seamlessly have Tensoft continue to work off of the system to track our inventory. So it gives us confidence that any additional improvements or implementations we do in the future will be successful.